Hi, I'm John Twist of University Motors. I want to show you a project I've been working on for a long time. I mean, long is like a long time. For the second most patient MG owner in the United States is this Midget. So we've got it stripped down. We're going to get some body work done to it really soon. But I've built a rotisserie. I'm building a rotisserie to be able to turn the car upside down. So I've just got these brackets fitted here today, and I have some long channel. I got to walk in front of the camera. I've got some channel here, so to bring some bars up forward up to what used to be an engine mount, an engine stand. Let me grab that. So we'll adapt this out here. I've got to estimate the center of gravity, which I expect is going to be about right here, center of gravity. And then I've got to put this into a rotisserie, and I've got that over here. So we're going to take a look. So I bought 2 engine stands on, I don't know, Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist or something or other, and I cut them and extended them, and I got them so that they're in line. Look at this. I mean, it's nice and straight. So this guy separates out. So I'll have one at the front and one at the back. Each one of them with their engine stand parts with some webbing that comes off and goes under the front of the car and under the rear of the car. So next time, as soon as I get this done, we'll update this and I'll let you know how it's going. I took the width of the car, added 6 inches per side, divided that in half. It ends up being 32 inches and measured from the bar to the center, 32 inches. So we'd be able to turn the car all the way over, work on the top side, side, bottom side, all by just rolling it. So we'll see how it works out. It was a whole lot less expensive than spending $2,000 on a professional unit, which may have its advantages, but this is an MG Midget. 2 guys can, get their shoulders up in the air and lift that. It would be difficult. 4 people, easy schmeezy, but it's not a very heavy body. This might not work for your El Camino. Anyway, we'll give you updates on the rotisserie as it comes along and the body work. Until then, safety fast.